Okay, here are three. Couple things. Um, the big one is that the end of the 9 weeks is on Friday. So, um, a lot of you guys owe me a lot of things. I really like to see you getting these things in so that, um, you're not failing. Because right now, I think there's quite a few of you guys that have like 0%. So, I'm going to start sending messages home to parents here this week. Start contacting them, letting them know, and I'll reach out to you guys as well and let you know if you owe me stuff, which most of you do. So try to get things turned in. Again, I always accept late assignments, so you can turn things in, and you'll still get most of the credit for it, even if it's late. So if you owe me things even from like the first week of this 9 weeks, get it turned in and it'll help you a whole lot. Otherwise, you get a zero, and a zero hurts you a whole lot. So try to get some things in. You can turn a whole bunch of stuff in at once. Again, sketchbooks will be due on Friday. You don't have to do a sketchbook. You can do paintings. You can do other things. I've had people turning in lots of neat creative things. If you like the sketchbooks, just keep drawing. That's fine too. If you need supplies, contact me. I'll get stuff together for you up here. Otherwise, just get all of that stuff turned in so I don't have to call home and so I don't have to give you guys zeros for things. I'd much rather you pass. I'm guessing most of you aren't even going to see this video, but get stuff done, get it turned in. Friday is the midpoint, so get it in hopefully before Friday. And that's all I have. If you guys need anything, you know how to get in touch with me. And okay, get drawing. Bye, guys.